to start the new chapter, lesson 7, getting to know plants. When you come on Wednesday, you will have a class test. Okay, class test of the
Okay,
chapter,
ma'am.
physical and chemical change. Okay, prepare and come. Fine.
Okay, ma'am.
And also, you know it, by Friday, you need to complete all your PPT presentations of getting to know plants. So today, I'm not going to talk about the beginning of the class. Okay, I'm just starting from the leaf onwards, because you already learned type of plants and edible parts of the plant. So I'm going to start from after that only. So once you complete your submission,
Good afternoon, ma'am.
yes.
Good
So
afternoon, ma'am.
before that, I would like to have Anushree.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Anushree, you have submitted your PPT.
No, ma'am. Today I will submit.
Okay, okay. So
Ma'am, I will submit.
1 minute. Let me check it once again. We have completed the seminar up to whom? Anthony Joel, you completed, no?
Ma'am, Christy also complete.
Christoph, up to Christoph. After Christoph, who is the next people?
Ma'am, they were completed. They were.
Devak is completed. Okay.
Ma'am,
Vaiga?
I am now.
Okay. Vaiga, did you
Yes, ma'am.
send your PPT to me?
No, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am,
Pooja?
I also finished it.
Pooja, did you
Yes,
send
ma'am.
your PPT?
Yes, ma'am. I sent it.
You send it through laptop or your mobile?
Laptop.
Laptop. Okay. When did you send?
28th or something.
Okay. Do you have the PPT with you now?
Yes, ma'am. I am attending in phone.
Yeah, okay, okay. So Pooja, take your PPT now. Do you have the PPT?
Ma'am, I have not sent.
A laptop is your brother is using now?
No, ma'am.
No. Okay.
Ma'am, I have done, but I will send today.
Okay, okay, okay. No problem, no problem. Okay, okay. Then in this class, Edwin Saji, where are you? Edwin Saji.
Daniel is also there, ma'am.
Daniel. Edwin did not come yet.
in the class.
Aaron is there in the class.
Okay. Aaron,
Yes,
your
ma'am.
PPT is with you?
Yes, ma'am, but I did not finish. I only did till half. Ma'am, can you hear me? Ma'am, I can't hear you.
Ma'am, we can't hear you. Ma'am, can I show my PPT? No, ma'am, we cannot hear you, ma'am.
You can hear next chapter, all of you. So the first chapter, 1 minute. Let me take the thing.
Woody, medium sized,
like
thin woody plants which
Okay.
look like bushes.
Okay. Aditi, what do you mean by herbs? Herbs.
Ma'am, can I say Pranava?
Now wait, I'm asking someone. Aditi, what do you mean by herbs? You're saying something about the PPT. Aditi, what you were saying before? Did you send your PPT?
Yes, ma'am.
Then you tell me. You must have put what do you mean by herbs over there, correct? Anything you remember? No?
Ma'am, we will use as medicine.
Okay.
What
What about
coriander leaves? Green and tender stems are called herbs. They are usually short and may not have many branches.
many branches? And what is its uses?
It is used as
medicines.
Not only medicines. What else? Tell me. What else?
And for cooking?
For cooking, yes, we use cooking, coriander leaves, curry leaf, all these are herbs, okay? They are herbs, yes. Krista, what do you mean by climbers?
The plants which take support
Which take support?
to grow upright.
Grow upright, climbers. Okay, they are climb on other tree. That means for their life they depend upon other trees or other plants. Okay. Yes. Anthony, what do you mean by creepers, Anthony?
And creepers do not grow in height. They grow like they spread all over.
Spread all over. Can you give one vegetable which is a
Pumpkin.
creeper? Pumpkin. Pumpkin is very common creeper. But other things like bitter gourd and then you know the what you call bottle gourd, our kumblanga. All these climb on higher thing, but the pumpkin always on the top of it. Okay. Sometimes you must have observed. Pumpkin also climb on the walls. Yeah. Okay. Sometimes pumpkin climb on the walls in order to grow. Yes. Okay. But apart from this, there are so many other creepers. Flowers. There are some flowers. They will spread on the land only, and they will give a beautiful flowers. So all these are creepers. Okay. Fine. Edwin Saji, which are the edible parts of a plant? I think you are not online properly. Okay. Vaiga, tell me which are the edible parts of a plant?
Leaves, stem and roots. Stem, leaves, flower and seeds.
Okay.
Edwin said the answer.
Okay. Yes. This one. Who else? Felix. Are you listening me? Felix Naijo, other classes you switch on the video. In my classes you never switch on. Ayush PR also same. Ahil Samir, switch on the video. Okay, this is the thing. Emmanuel, Saim, all this. Daniel, what happened to your network, Daniel?
Ma'am, I am creating a PPT, ma'am.
Now you don't create PPT. Now you are in the class.
Okay, ma'am.
Who told you to prepare the PPT now? Daniel? Huh? Switch on the video. This is not the time to make the PPT. When there is no class, you've got plenty of class. That time you have to make your PPT. Got it? Switch on the video. Okay. Give edible parts of a plant, Daniel.
Ma'am, leaves, stem,
Leaf. Stem.
root,
Root. Leaf, stem, root. So many things. What else a tree has, a plant has? Leaf, stem, root. And
Ma'am,
what about
fruits. Ma'am,
fruits? Okay. Two more things. Edible part. We will eat all these things, no? Yes. Yes. Aditi, you are saying something. Say. So he said root, stem,
Flower,
flowers. One more.
leaf,
Leaf is over. One more. Leaf, root, stem, fruits, flowers. Sixth edible part.
ma'am of what?
Plants.
Ma'am, vegetable.
Seed. Not vegetable. Vegetables are leaves. Leaves are over. Vegetables are either seeds. Yeah. Vegetables are either seeds or fruits. Correct. We use sunflower seed. Use it mustard seed in our cooking. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So all these are edible parts of coriander seed. We make use of coriander seed and all the pulses.
Ma'am,
Okay. Yes. All the pulses. Black gram,
Wheat.
chana. Yeah.
Wheat.
Yeah. Wheat. All these are seeds. Either seeds or either fruits. Fruits of a vegetable or a plant. Okay. So now we are moving on to, so I am going to start from the leaf only. Up to here is your PPT. To giving me specify which are the parts of the plant up to that. Now we are going to learn detail about leaf, roots, stem, flowers. These are the main thing you need to study. Some things are you are already know it. So when you come on Monday, okay, when you come on Monday no, Friday no. Next class is when is yours?
Wednesday.
Wednesday. I want everyone should have one leaf in your hand. Okay. One leaf, big leaf. Okay. Which can be seen. Okay. One leaf, one stem of any plant. Bring it. Clear? Okay.
Yeah, ma'am.
Yes.
And one leaf and a stem only.
Stem. Okay, with the stem you can pluck the leaf and come. Okay, little more
Ma'am, I
big.
have a baby money plant. So can I show all?
Only baby money plant for you. You don't have any other plants.
Ma'am, I have
Ma'am, I
other
have
plants.
Now do one thing. Who is having baby money plant in your home?
Ma'am, I'm telling that I have a money plant. So can I show it whole? It's only this much big.
Ayyo, that much bigger. Okay. Okay. Ananda Krishna? Yes.
Ma'am,
Okay.
I
You
have
keep it
another
with you.
plant.
Ananda Krishna, you keep it with you. Okay. I wanted now. Okay. So children, so you are going to see the plants. So plants are important part of nature. You can write the heading lesson 7. You can write the heading lesson 7. So whatever you are presenting on PPT, that I am not writing, okay? We are starting from the part of a leaf. Lesson 7, getting to know plants. Yes?
I have another plans. I just said about this baby.
Okay, no problem.
Ma'am,
Getting,
I'm Fia.
yeah, yes, Fia. What
Ma'am,
happened, Fia?
Ma'am, in PPT, you only told, ma'am, in PPT you told, right, 5 to 10 slides, but it become 13 when I write
Why
definitions
this
and
much?
extra pictures.
Why do you want 13 slides? You cut off it. You maybe put some extra.
Okay, ma'am.
I don't want entire
Okay,
chapter, Fia. Fia, I don't want entire chapter. I told you only type of the plants and the edible parts. That is very simple.
That only told, ma'am, that only take, but I just add extra pictures and all.
Ah. So that is pictures, okay, you can show it in the class, no problem. But we don't require that many slides. I said 5 to 10 maximum. But if you give me 6 slides, that's enough. Okay. But I told you, those who want to show me, you can have up to 10. Otherwise, it will be too much, no? When you make also, you are finding difficult to make all this.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes?
Ma'am, when we make PPT, we should show in this online class or we should send to you.
No, you have to send to me. Okay. After sending
Okay.
that, I will be checking and I will be telling 1, 2, 3 students to show it. Not all the students. Okay. We don't have time for it. So there are some of the students did not present the seminar. I will be selecting 1 or 2, 3 students. And those who presented seminar, if their PPT is very good, okay, extremely good, I will be allowing you to show it in that. Okay. Not all. Yeah. So children, so plants are important part of nature. They can live on land and in water. Edwin, can you read which is on the slide, please?
Yes, ma'am.
It is moved. 1 minute, 1 minute, 1 minute. It started its business now.
Plants are important parts of nature. They can live on land and in water. Plants are very useful to us and we get many things from plants such as food, wood, paper, etc.
Okay, that is a general introduction to your PPT to this chapter. That plants are important part of nature. Why we need to learn? We need to know about the plants because it is very much useful and our majority life is existing on the plants. Okay. See, during the flooded time, some of you, you used to have non-veg food, correct? But you see, during the flood time, during the COVID time, there was no non-veg food is available in the market. Some of the places it is not available. Then you fully depend upon the plants. So that means even you can sustain your life without any non-veg, only vegetarian food. So the plants are very important. And even you don't get the enough vegetables, you can also have the food of having the leaves. Some of the leaves of very good. Pumpkin leaves, pea leaves, okay, beans leaves, Kira, all these are just you put the seed, it will grow like anything. So we can sustain our life only by simply eating the leaves of a plant. So that much importance is plants in our life. So that is the reason every one of you, you are now in the class at home. You have got a plenty of time. All of you at least plant, you do your own garden. You make your own garden and just make some plants or plant it and just take care of it. It is something very thing it will give you a lot of joy. Suppose you plant a rose plant. You are taking care of it every day. and one day it bloom a flower. Do you feel happy by seeing that rose plant?
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am. Really happy.
Do you feel the same happiness when you buy a rose flower? Do you
No,
feel the
ma'am.
same
No,
happiness?
No,
No,
ma'am.
you will never. But you grow them, you put the mud, you put manure, and you took care of it. And suddenly a beautiful rose flower came, and you feel very happy. So that is the thing. Okay. It is the happiness that your parents also see you by looking at you. When you study, when you get more marks, your parents are happy because you are their flowers. Okay. You kids are their flower. They are taking care of you with a lot of hard work and struggling. Nowadays in COVID time, so many parents financially undergoing, the rich and poor alike, So that is why. So everyone, at least 1 or 2, 3 plants, you have to plant it and take care of it. Then you will see the joy of it.
don't have charge, ma'am. Can I leave?
Who is that? Pranava. Yes. Okay, children. So that is about the joy of growing something. So that is why it is so important for us to learn about the plants. So we get many things from, such as wood, food, pepper. The pepper what you write, okay, you are getting from one tree called papyrus trees. And there are some, you have beautiful furnitures at home, which is made out of wood. So that is the important of the plants in our life. That's why I give you your own way to learn the plants by making your own PPT. Okay, so next, most of the food that we eat comes from plants. You already know fruits, vegetables, cereals, roots, leaves, stems. Already you know. So when you look at the beautiful scenery, why do you go to picnic to Ooty and Kodaikanal? Huh? Why do you go to Ooty? See, yes, you are going to Ooty, Coconut and Resort and Adirampalli and all to see that nature. What is the nature? The plants, correct? Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
If you really work hard, you can make a Ooty your home, correct? You can make a Kodaikanal in your home by growing one aquarium. By making an aquarium, put some fish in it. All that things, you can have it.
When we
Ma'am.
garden a plan, when we make a plan, and we will be taking so many care to it. And when my mother is gardening, so I will be not taking any care of that. So
You see, if you go and pluck the flower, will your mother allow you to pluck it?
No, ma'am.
No, that is why. Because she knows how much trouble she took to grow that. Okay, this is how. No, we will not allow anyone to pluck the flowers what we grow. Okay, that's it. So that's it. Okay, now first these are the parts of the plant. You already know parts of plant and their function.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, if I send you in the Gmail, my Gmail has problems. So
Okay, you send in WhatsApp now. If you are facing continuous problem, you try. Try to send in when there is a very good network, and if it did not come, you can send it. Okay. Okay. So part of the plant and their function, each part of the plant has its own work to do. All these parts work together to keep the plant alive. Everyone knows that. Okay. So we are now moving on to a plant has mainly two parts. The first plant is a shoot and another one is root. Okay. So the plants can be divided into the parts of the plant. We are not talking about edible parts of plant. We are just talking about a common plant, whether it's edible or non-edible. If it is a bush, a plant has mainly two important parts. One is known as root, another one is shoot. Root and shoot. Not shooting with the gun, okay? Shoot means something which is growing, okay? Which is the shoot in the tree, Rana? Which is the shoot in a plant? What is shoot in a plant, Rana? Are you listening?
Stem.
Stem.
What do you mean by the shoot on a plant?
ma'am, sapling.
Saplings or leaves. You see, Okay, every day you can, if you observe the plant, every day in your rose plant, in your what you call chrysanthemums, your daisies, everywhere there is a new leaves are coming up. Okay, so that is known as shoot. Root means which is under the underground. Okay, so the part of the plant that grows under the soil. So what is the difference between root and shoot? Root grows under the soil. Yeah.
Soil, above the soil.
Upper the
Grows under the soil. So what do you mean by a root mainly? Root is a part which grows under the soil. So that is known as root. And do we all the plants have the same type of roots?
No, ma'am.
No. Different roots. Have you seen? What is the difference between? What is the difference between coconut roots and mango roots? Krista?
Coconut roots are very big. Coconut is like fiber roots.
And some
All are saying the answer because you know about coconut.
Tap roots and fibrous.
Okay. Coconut roots, you know, such a big structure it is, you know. Half of the root is above the mouth also. You can see it. So once you cut the coconut tree, you see how much difficult for us to remove entire root. Yeah. But is it the same difficult to pluck the root of a mango tree?
No, ma'am.
No, mango trees are not fibrous. It is just like a branch and it is long one, not like a coconut. Coconut root may not grow big places. It will grow a particular place. But mango trees, if there is a place, it will just grow. It will fetch, because why it is growing? It is wanted to take lot of nutrients. So the root will grow like anything to grab the nutrients from different places. And sometimes they will say, don't plant mango tree near your house. What will happen? What will happen?
Because roots, as it grows, the root will be
So it may get under the house.
Okay, that's why, that is, if you plant a mango tree or jackfruit tree near your house, so much close, what will happen? The mango tree's root will go under your house, and your house may get cracks on it, on the base. Okay, underground base. So that is what big trees we always plant far away from your houses. We can plant small plants, like usually near our houses. What are the things you plant? Flowering plants, correct?
flowering
And
plants.
short plants, bushy plants. Yeah,
Yes, ma'am.
because it will not grow much. Yes. Yes, Fia, are you saying something? Yeah, tell me.
Ma'am, in front of my house, it was there was a mango tree. It was really close, and when we cut that tree, it was very long roots, and the ties had been broken.
That is what I told. So it is your real life example where you can see the root. So why? The roots are underground and each root is different. Each plant has a different type of roots. Now, what do you mean by the shoot? The part of the plant that grows above the soil. Okay. So shoot means grows under the soil. Root means under the soil, and shoot means grows above the soil. That is, every day you can see new leaves are coming up. Okay, new branches are coming up. So all these are known as shoot. Okay, first before the leaves to grow, there will be small stem like a structure will come. Then it will be turned into leaves. So that is what we call shoot. That small tiny bubbles like a structure before it is turning into leaves. There's a small structure will come up, bubble like structure in every plant. So that is shoot. Then slowly shoot grows and it will be turned into branches, leaves, stem, flowers, fruits, etc. The shoot can be anything. Sometimes the shoot will be turned into a flower. Some of the plants, cactus plants, are like that. The shoot itself is a flower. You know, cactus plants, that kalli chedi, where there is a lot of thorns. It has some flowers, red flower and yellow flowers. Yeah, white also. So usually the shoot which come up will be a flower, not the branches. Who is that? Ananda? Your brother is, what happened to you? Something happened to you? Or he got irritated and went?
I think that
He's
I
gone.
think he got irritated.
Irritated. Maybe his brother or someone is worrying him. He has a brother, I think, no?
Yes, ma'am. He has a brother.
Small brother?
Yes, ma'am. Small brother.
Ananda. Ananda. Maybe that brother or maybe mother may be making noise in the house. Okay, fine. Like that, no? You will do like that. If your mother is going on, study. Anthony, what you will do? Gang, you will say. Correct?
Yes, ma'am.
What do you say? Did you say like that? Huh? May not be in front of the mother. Once mother go, you go, eh. Do you hear?
Yes, ma'am.
I have seen some of them. My neighbor and all. So mother goes, or grandmother, especially grandmother. Some of the grandmother, no, very nagging. Nagging means always irritate you. Huh? And some of the grandmothers are very nice. All will cover up your fault. But some grandmothers are very rude, no? Means they are gossiping. Kushimbi no real. Once your father comes, your grandmother go and tell, you know what Royce did today morning class, online class, he did not come. Then Royce will say, eh. Is it so?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
My brother is one of them.
That's so. Everyone, even in my house, we all had grandmothers and grandfathers, and it's not a new thing, no? We really enjoy. Whereas Ananda joined again. Ananda, what happened here? Okay, fine. So we continue with our lessons. Okay. Yes. So that is understood by the root and shoot. Now we are coming to structure of the leaf. Okay. Where is my Ananda? Ananda had brought one
Can
leaf.
you show the shoot?
He left. Okay. Who is having the
Can
shoot?
you show the shoot, ma'am? Just a minute.
Yeah. Yes. So what you want to see the slide? Okay.
Ma'am, shoot about shoot and root.
Shoot. Okay. Shoot. The part of plant that grows above the soil is called the shoot. Stem, branches, leaves, flowers.
Carrot is a root.
Carrot.
Have a leaf.
Carrot is a root.
Carrot is a root which is turning into fruit. Okay.
Okay.
Some of you have seen, no, like.
Ma'am.
Can I change?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So next we are going to structure of a leaf. Next topic, structure of a leaf. So far you have already learned edible parts. Now we have every leaf, stem, root, flower. All these are different minute parts. And which is very common. We did not observe. We just see your leaf. It has got some. Always when you draw, what is your leaf picture? One, middle one draw and put something like this. This is your leaf. Your drawing is over. Correct? Yes? Yes. And some people do like this. Then put like this. So your drawing is over. So this is a leaf. Very easy to draw. Correct? So, what you call all these lines and all? It has some important part. Yeah. The first part is lamina. The first part of a leaf is lamina, or we call it blade. Okay, after learning the parts, I will see some are having the leaf in their hand. I think Aromel or Anthony, who is having the leaf? Krishna. I think next class we don't have to bring the leaf. Now everyone has the leaf. Yes. Okay. Keep it with you. Keep it with you. Let us now learn the parts. Then we will see your leaf. Okay? Yes.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. So we are going to learn the parts of the leaf. The first part is lamina. Lamina or blade. Lamina means that green part. You know, the green part which is spread on the leaf. We can say the skin of the leaf. Skin of the leaf. We can simply say skin of the leaf. That is known as lamina or blade. Then you see this one, what you draw in the middle and all, that is known as vein. You have the blood vessels, correct, in your body. Same thing. These lines what you draw, that is actually is the veins through which they transport the water, nutrients and all. So the second part is vein. The different lines what you draw in a picture and different structure what you see is a vein. And the next is midrib. Midrib means before these veins to grow, there's a strong stem-like structure, correct? In the middle.
Yes,
Little more it is
Yes,
thicker.
ma'am.
Yeah, it is thicker than all these lines. This one, okay? Thicker than all these lines. All these lines what you draw is veins of the leaf, and what you draw in the middle, thicker than anything, that is known as midrib.
Ma'am, then what
Midrib.
is leaf stalk?
Leaf stalk. You see the leaves are starting from here to here, but we extend one small tail like thing, correct? When you pluck
Yes,
the tree,
ma'am.
pluck the leaf, you have a small, thicker thing.
Yes, ma'am.
We call it Malayalam net, alle? Net nu
Yes,
parayu, alle?
ma'am.
Net. So that is known as leaf stalk. Stalk of a leaf. We can say chicken stalk or that. Leaf stalk.
Then
Another name is petiole. Another, it is a botanical name. The leaf stalk also known as petiole. Petiole. Midrib. 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 Midrib means on this leaf, once the leaf is grown, the middle part, it is little more thicker. And from this, the branches comes, correct? All the veins. All the veins will come. So on the leaf, what you see thicker part, that is midrib. Out of the leaf, there's a one net we call that one. It is extended part. That is known as petiole. Shall we see now? I think we have time to see one person.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So just to see, honestly, next people, you bring your leaf next class. Okay. I just want to show one.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, can you see? Because Anusri is having a leaf and she is having everything. Anusri, can you touch and show me which is the lamina in this jackfruit? Leaf.
Yes, ma'am. The skin of the
That green color. So green patches
ma'am.
or green color is lamina. Which
Yeah.
are the veins? Veins.
this thing, ma'am.
That structured branches, that is known as veins. Which is midrib?
Ma'am, this line.
So middle one, middle part is midrib, which is the petiole.
Ma'am, this thing.
Yes. Now you got an idea, all of you? Yes. Very good. Congratulations, all of you. Ananda, you came late. I want to show you, but you came late, Ananda.
No, ma'am, I know. No, ma'am.
So next class we can see. Okay. So all of you now. After the class, take a leave and you just observe and see midrib, vein, all that things.
So when we see with the telescope, we can see stomata, right?
Yeah, stomata you can see if you observe with the microscope or magnifying glass. Stomata.
Mama, I have a leaf.
Yes, now it's almost time up, children. So shall I wind up the session? Okay, thank you, children. So very few students, 30, 32 students present. Okay.